Oh, John, what happened to the gas station that used to be here? There used to be a gas station here. That joker gone, yo. The gas station gone, but the Doubles guy is still there. Doubles is my love language. It is my love language now. Yo, look, y'all, we out here. Y'all heard me talking about the Doubles guy so much, right? I said the Doubles guy was the best. The last place I went to, I matched. What's up? Chris,
Matt,
how you doing?
how you doing, bro?
You was on early this morning. See, you made me come over,
Yeah,
man.
You know, I'm out here early.
But you know I talk about you all the time.
I do.
You know, I'll be like, I've never had anything better. But that last spot, it was a hard choice. Yo, I want a shrimp double and a regular. Hold up. Nah, yeah, that's what I'm getting.
A shrimp and a regular?
Yeah, man. Or should I just get a regular?
Shrimp and a regular.
We out here, y'all, on Central Avenue. It's going down. It's going.
You missed the early morning.
I missed the rush, right? I know you.
Rush already.
What time are you guys out here?
8 a.m.
8 a.m. Okay.
8 o'clock in the morning.
Every day?
Wednesday to Sunday.
Wednesday to Sunday, y'all.
Wednesday to Sunday. We're out here until about 3, 4 o'clock.
Huh?
Do you want pepper on the doubles?
Yes. Yep.
Little spice.
Yes. I'm getting the shrimp doubles, y'all, and let's check it out. What's going on? Y'all hiding today? Are y'all hiding? No? Is this your, introduce your family. You didn't do that last time.
This is Samaya.
This is Samaya.
Wendy. Robbie.
Wendy. Hey, what's up?
That's the crew right there.
That's Samaya, Wendy, and Robin?
Robbie.
Yeah. Where's the young lady that was giving me the info?
She's which lady?
She was here. She was standing off the truck, short.
Young girl?
Yeah.
Jane, but she works on the weekend.
Yo, people be online out here, y'all. This out near the cemetery on Central Avenue, y'all. The Doubles guy. They got doubles. Look, shrimp doubles 7. They got doubles for 3. Aloo pie $4. Aloo pie chana. Look, man, here's everything right here. Cheese pie, pepperoni pie, bacon cheese, bacon saltfish. I might have to come back for that. Mango chow. It's authentic. I had to get out here, man. I always talk about the Doubles guy. This is gonna be a good breakfast for me. Oh, he in here working, y'all. What you putting on there? What's that right here?
This is pepper, shadow benny, tamarind, and cucumbers.
Pepper, shadow benny, cucumbers, and tamarind. Yes.
You want that wrapped or you want to eat that now?
Where can I eat it?
You can
eat it on your truck?
Yeah.
It's too loud there. It's too loud.
Yeah, it's too loud.
It's too loud with the. I'll eat it on my car. My car is right there.
You sure?
We've been here before in places that I love. I keep going back. Y'all better check them out. The Doubles guy and his family right here. Any last words? Well, not. He's not dying, y'all.
I'm not dying. I ain't going nowhere. I'm not dying. So, but yeah, come through. You know, taste it, give it a try. If you like it, you'll come back. You know what I mean? We're not. What's the word I'm looking for? We're not advertising that we got the best. Nothing
right. Yeah.
Nothing like that.
Right.
We try to do our best to give good food. You know what I mean? That's all we're out here trying to do.
Oh, easy. You know I gotta use the paper, right? I already know, y'all. I just want y'all to see it. Can y'all see that? That's them doubles. Let's get the paper out the way. They make their bara bread right there on the truck. Check it out. That bara is so soft. Here we go. One of these days, I'm gonna be able to eat this. That's so good, y'all. So good. I just dropped a chickpea. Got them shrimp right there. Oh, they added that spice to it too. The spice is kicking. Just right. I gotta wrap this up more and just open it up a little bit. Look at that double right there. Hold on, let me pause. See that bara bread? Nice, fresh. I know the question is coming. Which one would I choose between here and the one on 15th Ave? Solemns. It's whichever one I'm closest to. That's where I'm going. They both are absolutely delicious. I'm licking the paper, y'all. We're at the Doubles, guy. I gotta get my dance on. Y'all know when I start dancing. When I start dancing, it's on. Hey, I'm eating the Doubles, guy. Oh, wait a minute, that didn't sound right. I'm eating doubles from the Doubles, guy.
Matt, how we go? Did you get a drink?
He asked me, did I get a drink, y'all? I was just laughing about that. I don't like these this time.
Oh, you gonna hurt my feelings.
These are the best, man. It's still from over there, just to let you know. I said to choose, it's whichever one I'm closest to, you know?
Okay.
They both are delicious. Oh, man.
It's hard.
It is hard.
I know you can't put it out there.
This joker is good. I can, it's so good. Here it is, here's the challenge. Try the Doubles, guy, then try Solemns. Check it out, support local, period. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, well, that's the challenge. Let them go try them out, and then come try me.
Yep.
And let them hit you on the comments and say, you know, who they like better or who tastes better or whatever the case may be. You know?
Chris was in the comments, y'all. He be watching the videos, Matt.
Yeah, of course.
Big up to Chris, man, and his family. They are absolutely beautiful.
I gotta keep on the
That's
on,
right.
on the link.
That's right. Look, he keep up to date, man, with what's going on in the community. That's what's up.
Definitely.
Am I eating this right, man? Do I supposed to pull it or just keep the paper around it?
Yeah, well, you're supposed to. I'll show you with the next one.
Evidently, I did it wrong.
But hey, listen. At the end of the day, as long as it goes down into the stomach, that's all that matters. I'm gonna go grab you a drink now.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm trying not to eat the paper.
This right here is an Apple J.
Apple J.
Back home, this is like when you eating doubles. This is like
Oh.
the drink of choice.
Oh, yeah?
When you eating doubles.
So in Trini, y'all, they drink an Apple J with their doubles.
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
All right.
Solo Apple J.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's up, brother? Yeah, man, I've been here before, but I went to another double spot. I had to come here again. You know how you've been somewhere a long time ago and be like, which one is better?
So what post are you trying to see who's?
They both are delicious, man.
Who?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's what this is. What this is.
Well, that's what he's doing right now.
I got you.
This is delicious.
I'm thinking it was,
Delicious.
All
right.
So you open it up. We're gonna open it up.
Just one side or both?
No, both sides. Both sides.
Open up both sides, y'all.
Sides.
I don't want
I'm
to
gonna
drop
teach you
it.
how to eat it.
This is a bag of gold, y'all. Okay.
All right.
All right.
So what you're gonna do is
Right.
you're gonna take one of, open it up like that.
Okay.
You're gonna take one of the baras
Uh-huh.
and flip everything so that way it's kind of like flattened out. So this one,
I'm going to take one of these and just
yeah,
flip it over like this.
over,
Flip it wide. Okay.
flip it wide,
Okay.
and now that other one is sitting on top. So you would
Okay.
pick that one up.
That wouldn't be like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Uh-huh.
that's
Hold up. It's like this, y'all. So we open it up wide. Okay.
So you're gonna take this one
Uh-huh.
and then you would scoop, but leave like take half of the chickpeas.
Take a little bit,
and then scoop and bite.
So I'm gonna do this and just scoop it like this?
Yeah.
Okay. And just break it off?
Just break it off. Well, it might not break, but you know.
Oh, it's breaking.
Yeah.
All right, he said get a handful like this, y'all.
Yep.
Then what you do?
Then pop it in your mouth. What do you mean? What do you do?
I mean, is it good luck? Throw it over your shoulder? No. Now I know, y'all. I'm gonna just start using my Carolina forks anyway.
Yeah, man. This is back home. Ain't no knife and fork. You gotta use your hands, man.
Ooh, now I know. When I get to Trinidad, I know. Can y'all see that?
If you go to Trinidad, you ask for.
I gotta go on that side.
Oh, they gonna be like,
I did.
Oh, they gonna be like, man, get out of here.
I went to the Caribbean parade in Brooklyn. They was laughing at me when I asked for a fork. Everyone was talking. I said, "Can I have a fork?" They were like,
they looked at you like you got two heads, didn't they?
They sure did.
Yep.
Oh yeah, this is so good. I was only gonna eat one, y'all, but
see, you couldn't help it.
What's that sweetness?
Sweet sauce, tamarind sauce.
The tamarind is the sweet one.
Yeah.
It's delicious, y'all. I went to that one spot. The bread was hard. I was like, this is like a pita bread. I didn't want no pita.
What's going on, man? How you doing? All right.
Oh, it's two. Okay. I didn't know it's two bara.
Yeah, it's two. That's why it's called doubles.
I did not know that. I didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
Hold up. He said that's why it's called doubles, because you get 2 pieces of bara bread.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, I don't think I got 2 pieces at some places. Hold up. Those were singles.
That was robbing you.
Those were singles, y'all.
Thank you.
Next time I'm gonna get them without the shrimp just to check it out. Wait a minute, did this have shrimp? Was
no,
this
that one did.
Okay.
The first one was shrimp. That one's regular.
I was about to say, because I didn't taste shrimp. Yeah, that's why I told him 1 and 1.
Yeah, he said 1 and 1.
I never had this one without the shrimp before. It's delicious.
So now
I just love seafood.
Yeah, you do.
This is an original, y'all.
That's the original. That's original.
Hey, what's up, brothers? All right, sister. All right. I know. It's all right. How you doing, ma'am? All right, good. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. I love you guys, man. Thanks for supporting the channel. We here at the Doubles guy. Y'all come check him out. Tell him that you saw it on this video so he'll know. Yep. We appreciate him, man. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. So good. I'm supposed to go to another spot later.
Where at?
It's a halal spot on Lines Avenue, Soul Food. They do fried chicken, and I'm gonna go get some fried chicken. Maybe. Look, maybe, y'all. Look at them chickpeas, y'all. Celeste, look at the chickpeas.